Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So today I came in Rajpur Bazaar, Gurdaspur, Nator. You can see this is a market of place, paddy or rice. So at the time I will ask farmer and businessman what is the price of paddy today. So I hope if you like this video, subscribe, share and comments. So really I cannot speak English, but I try how to improve English speaking. But if I will mistake any word or any sentence, please teach me. Inshallah, then I will happy. So let's go. And you can see this is a farmer. So hello, assalamu alaikum. কেমন আছেন? কত দাম বলতেছে? What is the price of?
এই মাত্র আসতেছি, এখনো দাম কেউ বলেনি।
He has come just now. Okay, no problem. He said not price. So oh, I will go here. So everyone, at the time I'm talking about rice or paddy. 29 rice, 1,320 taka or up 50 taka. And Shamparani 1,600 and others paddy or rice 1,200. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share and comment. So bye, Allah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.